Hello coders, and welcome to our Wednesday mini project series, and I'm here with another mini project using HTML, CSS and JAVASCRIpt. And I'm excited to share some additional information regarding these projects, so let me clear it. Now I decided to divide my videos in three parts. In first part, I'll showcase the mini project, and in second part, I share the concept that I use to build these projects. And in third part, I share the problems that I face to build these projects. Don't worry with solution. And the bonus part is now you can ask me for help in my Discord server regarding to your projects, and definitely I'll help you. And of course you can share your work or mini projects to share your experience in programming. May this helpful to me and of course for other coders. Let's move on to our first part. The first mini project is I create a form which redirect to a page where you get a unique user ID and a thank you message. So basically this type of create account form generally used in real world, example like Instagram and college registration forms, where you submit the information and the page redirect you to another page where you get your acknowledgement and unique user ID. Let me show you how it's work. Let's fill the information. When I click on create button, the page redirect to the user to another page where I get a message of successful registration and also get a unique user ID at the rate ABCD37 and also a thank you message for creating account on my Discord server. Now move on to the next mini project. This type of product card generally used in commercial website, example like Amazon, Myntra and Flipkart. I used here price range to change the product, price and details. Whenever I move the price range from rupees 5 to 10 and so on, the product details are changed and the product images also change. Let me show you. Move the price range from 5 rupees to 10 rupees. The image of the pen is changed, the name of the pen is changed and the price of the pen is changed. 10 to 20 rupees. Here we get a premium pen with brand name, brand A, price 20 rupees. 20 rupees to 30 rupees. Again we get a luxury pen, 30 rupees to 40 rupees. Elite pen, 40 rupees to 50. Supreme pen. This is the most expensive pen I give you at the price of 50 rupees. Okay, if you notice that the price of the product, their name and images are changed, but the brand name is not changed. The reason is that I made this product card for a particular brand. I want to sell a same category of pen with different price and quality. Now time to move to the second part of the video, concept that I used to build these mini projects. In first mini project, I used a concept called query parameter extraction. It is a new term for beginner coders. So basically what is query parameter extraction? It is a way to retrieve a specific piece of information from the URL of a web page. Generally, when you navigate to a new page, you can add information to the URL itself. After a question mark symbol, this information is stored as a query parameter. Why I used it here? Because this method allows data to be passed between pages without needing a more complex server or a database setup. So basically in my code, query parameters are used to transfer the generated user ID from the form page to the success.html, which is a second index file of this mini project. In my second mini project, product card with price slider, I used a concept called array. Now what is array? An array is a collection or list that stores multiple values in a single variable. It is like a container that can hold multiple items. Now, so in my code, I create a product array which store different product as object like a product name, brand, price and image. Now move to the last part of video, problem. In this mini projects, I didn't face any type of problem, but if you have any problem, feel free to ask me in my Discord server. So that's it for this Wednesday. Keep coding, keep practicing. See you next Wednesday.